Hello everybody and welcome back to another action figure diorama tutorial video. I recently got this Michal Myers figure and, well, sorry about the noise behind me here, it's my 3D printer working on parts for this project, so sorry about the noise. But as I said here, I got this figure and I think I'm going to do something that will make me able to take some cool shots. For example, put Michal here behind a window and make him look out of the window as he does in the original movie from 1978. And then I think I'll continue also with the inside rooms and parts of the Halloween horror house. But I'm not exactly sure where this is going to go. So why not just get started and see where it's heading. So a good place to start with a project like this is always to look at some of the scenes and shots from the movie and try to replicate that. And of course I could also watch the movie to be really sure how the Halloween house, Michal Myers house, actually looks. On the other hand, it doesn't have to be exactly precise. I could use this house for anything, so it doesn't have to be exactly like in the movie, but still use the shots, photos from the movie as reference, and then just go ahead. So that was it for the first part here. The outside of the house mostly, and Michal Myers now looking out the window. So soon I will continue with part 2, where we look at the inside of the house. Thanks a lot for watching, leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.